Hi friends, and happy Thanksgiving. My name is Cindy Jordan and I am a songwriter. The first song I ever wrote became a big #1 country music song of the year, which was called Jose Cuervo. And since then, I've written hundreds of songs. So what I like to do with you right now is play some of the songs that I've written, and I'll start off with Jose Cuervo and wishing you a tremendously happy Thanksgiving. We have so much to be grateful for in this wonderful country that we live in. So let's get started. Well, it's Sunday morning and the sun is shining in my eye that is open and my head is spinning. Was the life of the party. Can't stop grinning. I had too much tequila last night. Jose Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. I like to drink you with a little salt and lime. Did I kiss all the cowboys? Did I shoot out the lights? Did I dance on the bar? Did I start any fights? Now wait a minute, things don't look too familiar. Who is this cowboy who's sleeping beside me? He's awful cute. How'd I get his shirt on? I had too much tequila last night. Well, all those little shooters, how I love to drink them down. Come on, bartender, let's have another round. The music is playing and my spirits are high. Tomorrow might be painful, tonight I wanna fly. Hi! Jose Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. I like to drink you with a little salt and lime. Every time we get together, I sure have a good time. You're my friend, you're the best, mi amigo Cuervo. Jose Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. So what happens when you write a song like Jose Cuervo? Well, you might just meet a cowboy who might just move you to East Texas to his ranch, which is exactly what happened. And when I found myself in Texas after growing up in California, I realized that Texans really love Texas. In fact, they feel sorry for anybody who isn't in Texas. And I was curious about that. So especially the natives here, they just have this thing about Texas. And when I got to know Texas and Texans a little better, I got it. And I wanted to write a song about it. So I compared Texas to being a woman. If Texas was a woman, she'd hold me in her arms, rock me like a baby, close to her heart. If Texas was a woman, softly she'd whisper, I will always love you wherever you are. If Texas was a woman, I'd marvel at her beauty, like the colors of a sunset lighting up the western sky. If Texas was a woman, she'd sing to me so sweetly, a song that tells her story in a Spanish lullaby. Texas, and there's an interesting history here. There were a lot of bordellos and brothels here, especially during the oil boom after the Santa Rita. And the Cowboys used to come here during the cattle drives, and there's just a whole lot of really fun history in San Angelo, Texas. Well, there's a place here, it's a tourist attraction called Miss Hattie's. And there's another store downtown called the Sassy Fox. And Barbara, who owns that store, she told me, you know, I used to know one of those ladies, one of those friendly ladies downtown San Angelo. And she told me, she was a little older at this time, and she said, you know, Barbara, on Friday nights we used to get so excited because we'd see this little dust cloud getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and we knew those Cowboys were coming to town. So since I've lived here in San Angelo, I've written a novel called Pearl and a musical called Miss Pearl's Parlor. And this is the opening song. It's Friday night, we're all getting ready, the Cowboys are coming to town. I've taken a bath, I fixed up my hair, and I put on my very best gown. They've been working all week in the Texas sun, they just got paid and they're looking for fun. We always show the boys a good time. The Cowboys are coming to town. Let's step outside and we'll look to the west. The Cowboys are coming to town. Look at the dust cloud getting bigger and bigger as the sun is going down. Here they come riding in hard and fast. They'll be rootin' and tootin' when they're here at last. We always show the boys a good time when the Cowboys come into town. Yippee-yi-yay, get along, little doggy. Yippee-yi-yay, get along, little doggies. Yippee-yi-yay, get along, little doggy. The Cowboys are coming to town. Whee! Look at there, girls, I can see them riding. The Cowboys are coming to town. Look at the dust cloud getting bigger and bigger as the sun is going down. Here they come riding in hard and fast. Their horses are lathered and they're here at last. We always show the boys a good time when the Cowboys come into town. Yeah, we always show the boys a good time when the Cowboys come into town. All right. So those are a few of the songs that I've written. I want you to have a happy, happy, happy Thanksgiving. And if you want to hear more of my music, you can go to CynthiaProductions.com. Love to all. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.